Cooking After again, and today I'm going to be cleaning my room. It is a mess. First, I have some socks I need to put away, or like match them. Next thing is clearing stuff off of my dresser, which has a lot of things on it. You can't see it on my face. That's lots of stuff. Let me get to it. I think we should do this area. It's kind of interesting. Look. I don't like to scrape. Yes, I did move it to do the time lapse because it was just bugging me, and I don't know. So let's get to it. It's I like it. My shoes are pretty good, but you know what's not good? My desk. Can you see it from here? I just need to clean it off. I like it. Next is this. Okay, don't forget this too. I'm done. Great. Beautiful. Okay, my room's done. This is one part. Then this is my dresser, which is much better than before. And this is my desk, which is definitely much better before. Oh yeah, this is my bed. Well, my cat's laying in it, but that's why this is and my nightstand, my bookshelf, which is good, my shoes and everything. It's done. If you like this video, please subscribe and hit that like button. Bye.